Hey, thanks for watching this video. It's Shanice. I'm back with another vegan what I ate today, 3 meals a day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy. So first I'm starting out with a breakfast smoothie: banana, peach, pineapple, strawberries, and greens. And you can see there's a combination of food here. I do have some wheat bread, salt and pepper, avocado, tomato, as well as some almond milk, pineapple, strawberry, peaches, and bananas, and also some greens. But right now I'm only focusing on the fruit and veggie for the smoothie. Okay, so the first thing I did was I added my fruit and my greens into my Ninja cup along with some almond milk, and this was to make the flavor even better and also blending nice and smooth. So I blend that till it's nice and smooth and creamy, and once that's done I just poured it into my mason jar, and this is really good and really filling, and that was breakfast for today. And I'm moving on to lunch, where I have some toast with avocado and plum tomato. So I start out with my wheat bread, which I'm going to toast first. The next thing I did was I chopped up my plum tomato into slices, and I also peeled my avocado so that I could mash it really well. And once it's nice and mashed, I add my salt and pepper, and then I stir it all together to make it into a spread. And I spreaded this onto both of my wheat toast, and then I topped that with my tomato. Now this might not look pretty, but it did taste good. I just wish it looked a little bit better. But that was very filling, and that was what I ate for lunch today. And moving on to dinner, I had this Gardein mandarin orange crispy chicken with rice and broccoli. Okay, and as you can see, for the rice I did use cauliflower rice, not real rice, and I also used the earth balance butter as well. Inside that Gardein mandarin orange chicken comes a packet of orange sauce as well. And you place the chicken into the oven on 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. And then I just buttered my pan and added the cauliflower, let it cook for 8 minutes with a little bit of sea salt. And I also pulled out my chicken, which was done after 20 minutes, and I poured the orange sauce onto the chicken. I had to really twirl this around to get it coated because this orange sauce is really watery. I prefer that you make your own orange sauce just for better texture. And I served it over the cauliflower, in which in this case I wish I would have served this over regular rice because the texture is better with regular rice. And also, for the critique of this chicken, I prefer that it be used for chicken nuggets, because that is exactly what it's like. You know, take some chicken nuggets, dip it into some broccoli, not broccoli, but dip it into some, sweet and sour sauce or something like that. But this is really good. I just think it could use a little bit of tweaking. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I do want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.